In chiropractic, there is a thing we call the vertebral subluxation complex. And a vertebral subluxation basically is a misalignment of one of these vertebrae in the spine that is putting pressure on the nervous system. The complex refers to what are the causes that create these subluxations in the spine. And there are basically three categories of causes that create a need for someone to come in to see a chiropractor to get these things taken care of. The three are emotional, chemical is number two, and third is physical. So imagine all these different kinds of stressors. So a physical kind of stressor is if someone's involved in a car accident, or someone plays a sport or a hobby and there's contact or falling down, or the kind of work that they do if it's some kind of repetitive stress. Those are physical stresses that, again, can change how this spine operates, how it's positioned, and again, how it affects the nervous system and its output. Chemical stresses come from the different kinds of foods that we eat. If someone drinks a lot of coffee, if someone smokes, if they work in an environment where they're under a lot of, let's say they work in a biochemistry kind of environment, these things can then also affect how the nervous system goes. Emotionally, stress, we all know what that is from the life that we lead, the work that we do. These things will as well affect how the nervous system plays out because of how the spine is doing as well.